Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Megalo and I'm super excited to have you here for my very first video. I've been in the game industry for quite some time now. It's been an incredible journey and I have had the privilege of working with some amazing teams and talents, and I've finally decided to make my own game. Well, most of my experience has been with Unity, and it has been an absolutely fantastic engine. It's versatile, user-friendly, and it has been my go-to engine for 4 years now. But today, I'm excited to share my new journey with you. And I've decided to dive into Unreal Engine for my very first project, which might be a little bit daunting, and you might be wondering why, especially since I have such a strong background with Unity. Well, Unreal has got some amazing features that I can really use, and this game can really benefit from. And it really caught my eye, and after using Unreal for a while, I've really started liking it. The transitioning from Unity to Unreal and learning a new game engine was no joke. Plus, I wanted to challenge myself and step out of my comfort zone. And I thought, what better way to do that than by creating my own game in Unreal. So, this channel is going to be all about my journey, game development, from initial concept to the final product. I'll be sharing my progress, challenges, tips, and everything in between. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or just curious about how games are made, there's going to be something for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you won't miss an update. I'm really looking forward to building this game and sharing my every step with you all. Let's make something amazing together. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.